Hi and welcome to this first look at some of the new functionality within the new Evolution Adminscreen. In this video we're going to focus on a function called the Order Daybook Manager, and we're going to look at some of the changes that have been made within that module. So to access that, we click on the menu button and then we click on Order Daybook Manager, and this is going to load up, like the existing version does, a list of all the orders that's been placed on the store. There's a few changes here. You have the ability to add a new order directly from the admin screen, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. So if we click on add a new order, it's now going to ask us to select a customer. So we want to add an order for, we'll pick Denise, and then it's going to ask us to select a user from within that account. So we're going to pick again the default user, which is Denise. When we've done that, it brings up the order, it assigns it an ID, and we just fill in the blanks. So we're going to start by adding some order lines. So we'll start typing the code, and as we start typing you'll see the system auto-complete the results. So we're going to add some punch pockets to this one, and we'll add a quantity of 2, and we hit save, and we'll add one more order line. So we'll add some copier paper, and we'll add 3 of them, and hit save. And at this point we can now go ahead and add an order number if necessary. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can also add the courier's tracking reference from the main wholesalers, so Vow and Spices are covered within that. We can then move through the additional tabs that are available here. So for example, we can select the delivery and payment method for this order. So in this case we're going to say this is an account, this is to be paid on account, customer's credit account, and we're going to select a delivery method which is going to be free delivery. We can also look at the customer billing and shipping information, and we can change that. So we can say this order needs to be billed to the Scotland address, and we're going to have it shipped to the London address. So that's how you go ahead and add a new order within the Order Daybook Manager. Now that we've got the order completed, we can click on the print order form, and that will throw up a printable version of the order. That's pretty much it. A few other things to look at before we finish up here. If we click on list all orders, from within the list of orders we can see, let's click through on one that's been placed in the past. So we click through on one by John. Now if we click through on this order again, we've got the function to add additional lines to that. We can delete lines from the order, or we can add a delivery charge or apply an additional discount. We can basically manipulate that order now that it's been, or after it's been placed, which is a big change from how the old system used to work. We've got some nice reporting, so we can go to the order sales statistics tab, and we can see the standard order statistics screen, which comes through from the old version of the software. However, we've added in some graphical representation on top of that, where you can see total sales order value in a particular month and the average daily orders you were getting within that month. So just some nice analytics building on top of what we already had. So that's our first look at the new Order Daybook Manager, and we'll see you again on another video.